In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated lead management system in Makecom and Pipedrive. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable flow that pulls a lead from Pipedrive and prepares it for automated handling with clear logic and tidy data, all inside Make. Start by logging in to your Make.com account. Make is where the automation lives, so make sure you're using an account with permission to connect external apps and view leads from your CRM. Once you're in, choose Create Scenario and add a module. A scenario is Make's term for an automation workflow. Modules are the building blocks. Each one performs an action or retrieves data. Think of this as laying out the path your lead will take through your system. In the module picker, type Pipedrive. This search narrows the catalog to just the Pipedrive options so you can connect your CRM quickly without scrolling. Select Pipedrive CRM from the results. This tells Make which app you'll be working with and unlocks the relevant actions and data fields for your scenario. Choose the action, Get a Lead. This retrieves a specific lead record from Pipedrive so you can read its details and prepare downstream steps like routing, qualification, or enrichment. It's the foundation of your lead logic. Next, add a connection and select your Pipedrive account. You'll authorize Make to securely access your CRM. If prompted, confirm the standard permissions so the scenario can read lead data reliably. Enter the lead ID. This unique identifier points Make to the exact record you want. You can copy it from the lead's URL or details page in Pipedrive. Accuracy here ensures you're pulling the right lead every time. Now set your variables. Map the key fields from the lead, such as name, organization, source, status, owner, or tags, into variables you can reuse later. Clear variable names make your scenario easier to maintain and troubleshoot. Apply functions where needed. Use Make's built-in functions to clean and transform values. Trim spaces, convert text to lowercase, format dates, or combine fields. This keeps your data consistent before it hits any logic. Choose an operator to define your condition. Operators like equals, contains, greater than, or is empty help you evaluate fields precisely and keep your rules unambiguous. Provide keywords if your logic depends on text matching. Add the terms you want to detect, such as campaign names or product interests, so your operator can evaluate them consistently. Finally, click Save. Your Make.com and Pipedrive accounts are now connected, and your scenario is set with clean inputs and clear rules. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.